Welcome to Beauty and Beyond with Goody, where you get hair tips, beauty tips, and realistic glow up content. For today, I'll be teaching you on how to bleach your frontals, and these are the mistakes you should avoid when trying to bleach your frontal. First, I apply holding spray at the beginning to tame all the flyaways so that when I apply the bleach under the net, it won't have to stay on those flyaway that will be around. And then secondly, I'll mix my bleach and developer in a 1/2 proportion. You have more bleach powder, then a proportion of 1 for your developer, so as to make the mixture very thick, because if it's too runny, it's going to penetrate through the net and over bleach the knot. But if it's thick enough, you will not be so worried about over bleaching the knot, except you leave it for a very, very long time. After that, I make sure when applying my mixture, I don't press in, I just apply and spread through. So after spreading and I wait for 15 minutes, it's good to go. Then I put it in water, wash it out. After washing, I condition the remaining hair, and after that we set to dry and you are good to go. And I promise you, if you follow this basic step, your frontals are going to come out very, very nice and not over bleached.